Seals are okay. One seal, top seal, bottom seal. So let's see here. Really bonus points for the cardboard packaging. It's just a mouse, why so much paper? Battery warning. In all the languages, really. Wow. The clickiness. Listen to this. It's super clicky. Interesting, there is a... it's for padding. Cushioning. Cushioning. Okay. Oh, it's pretty big. Okay. It feels a bit plasticky though. There is some stuff on it. It's on the paper. It doesn't feel as solid as I thought it would. M705. That's the power on. For some reason it's powered on, but I think the batteries are inside with a protection label. Optical. It's optical. Feels really comfortable. It would be really nice for a laptop. Oh, interesting groove here. Oh, the wheel is nice. It's just like in my trusty G905 G9. Just like in my trusty G9. Feels very precise compared to the size comparison with the G9 gaming mouse. Full size, so it's not a mini mouse. And this wheel, it can take you through a whole Excel spreadsheet or a Google Sheets file. It's really nice, and if you engage the wheel, it is a bit noisy though. Feels really good, a bit light. I just got used to the heavy mouse, guess, but this groove here is really nice. It's like good for gripping to lift it. So let's see there's no batteries. I thought it was included. Ah, maybe it's here. Ah, that's what's in the box there. That's what's on the other side. So I should have opened it. I should have opened it from this side. So when you open it from the correct side, you get the information about the batteries. So you turn it on, connect, put the dongle in the laptop or desktop, and you're ready to go. Okay, so they were here. That's all. Careful not to cut the battery here. And those are that's what's written inside the mouse, made in Vietnam. That's the model number, Logitech Europe, 1.5 volts at 100 milliampere hours. So the model number is, I think it's this one, M-R0073, and the nice thing is they go both plus on the right side, so no need to check. Also the dongle is here, and when you don't use it, it's good to have the dongle there back in its slot. Orientation doesn't matter, and that's really good. That's the dongle. Model number, serial number. In case you need to replace this dongle, maybe this is useful information. I'm not sure if they would work with any device, but this is the dongle that came with this mouse. Made in China for sure. Okay. I'm gonna do something a bit more. I'll do something a bit different. I'll try to connect the mouse to my phone. Let's see if that works. So dongle is in the hub. That's the mouse. Ah, it's red when it's off, so you can tell from the color. Okay. Actually, with the batteries, the weight is much better. Dongle goes in the phone. And now it's the, oh, it's there. Video up, so I can control the phone remotely with the mouse. I can start recording, stop the recording, zoom in, I don't know, actually there is something uncomfortable about this mouse. I know what it is. It's heavy on the back side. So because the batteries are here, two big batteries here, it's a bit heavy on the back side. And when I lift it, it's like this going up. While this one is balanced. This one is heavy on the back. So I'm not sure if I like it that much. Now this is the back. Oh, now it's so it's working even on the phone. This is really good in a way. Let's see. Let's see if it works on the computer. Okay, the computer is on. Computer is on and I have the mouse here and it is turned on. It's on the on position. It feels a bit back heavy, I don't know. Like, feels a bit back heavy. And this is the first time I plug in the dongle on the computer, and let's see how much time it takes until it's ready to use. Should be pretty instant. So I'll keep it like this. I can move it here so you see it. Keep plugging time. Plugged in, and I already have the screen. Right click. It's not bad actually. It was really cheap, less than 50 euro, and it's actually pretty ergonomic. These shapes around it, they are actually feeling good. And this groove here is also very interesting. It's really like really well made. Well, it stopped working now. What is the pointer? Can't see the pointer now. I think computer is stuck. Yep. Let's try to stop. There is a light when it's connected. I didn't see it earlier when the light is only at the beginning a little bit. Oh, it's back. Okay. So now I can use both. This is wired, this is wireless. I still prefer my G9, but it's nice to have the wireless option. Also, the dongle is there. If you prefer to have a wireless mouse and a keyboard, it might be better to get a... If you prefer to have a wireless mouse and a keyboard, it might be If you prefer to have a wireless mouse and the wireless keyboard, it might be better to get a combo wireless mouse and keyboard to have only one dongle. In this case, all I wanted was the wireless mouse, and it's pretty nice. When I don't need it, I will turn it. I'll make sure to turn it off so the battery is not draining. But I think it has a kind of good enough standby. I will actually use both, and this will be used a little bit at a distance from the computer, and the other one when I'm sitting at the computer. So they are always available. Oh, it lost. It's off now. The physical one works. It's because I turned it off. I forgot I turned it off, so now it's on. It's working now. So when it's on, this light turns on just for a while to let you know that it started, but then it turns off. And now it's off completely. I think it's a pretty good mouse for the price. And the grip is really good here. I'm really not a fan of these forward and back buttons, but okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.